square laid filling is simple but subtle. Begin by using long stitches to create a grid pattern. Once you have a grid, stabilise the threads with a little slanting stitch at each intersection. You can create a decorative effect with contrasting colours, or a more subtle pattern using the same shades. The stitches can slant to the left or right, depending on what you prefer. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.